250. I'm on the 600. I'm back, man. We back at it. We back on the streets with the 600, man. After the injury, we getting lit, man. We about to get to it for real. The bike running strong. She puttering a little bit while I'm driving. I don't know what that is, but she sounds good, so it's all right. She riding all right, so I'm gonna catch y'all when we back on the road with David. We bike lifing it up.
That thing just that tight.
Let me see. It's good, YouTube. Just changing out the battery with it right now. About to see if we can put this battery in there. But it's looking like, yeah, looks like they're stripped. Ah, yeah, that's stripped. Stripped as all hell. That's terrible. That's great. That's great for us. That baby stripped and
Tight.
damn, I got me some mission.
Oh, you know what? I'm stupid as hell. Look at the fucking thing.
Yup, I know exactly what you're talking about.
Or one of these would work too.
Facts. I'm gonna take this hoe out, see if this battery will juice the bike up. And I won't have to jump her no more because she's stalling out on me. And I could bring this battery back to you this week actually, because I'll have that brand new one come this week. Throw that in there.
So no more. I'm not in no rush to get it back.
Say that. Good luck. Grabbing the drill ski.
You're getting busy.
Indeed.
Everything's going so smoothly. I'm finding everything.
Oh, that's good.
Boom. And just like that.
Too quick. Too easy. I tighten it.
Boom. Now you just move the cables to the sides, and then you should be just able to pick the battery up.
Jump by heavy. Wow.
Bro, feel that.
Yeah, I could toss this up and play basketball with it, bro. This is so light.
Bro, that thing has no juice.
Jesus.
It has a little tester thing. Let's see.
Is it this one too big though? Sheesh.
We should be able to fit it because it doesn't have nothing over top of it.
Yeah,
But it might make your seat a little
high, right?
Yeah.
Right. I'll sit back on the seat more.
Let's see. Bro, that's a glove.
Say no more.
That's a glove. Alright, so now we gotta do this before let's screw it in before I drop it in.
Remember this gold thing? Right here was on the bottom.
Gold thing on the bottom, and same thing for that red one, right?
Yep.
Alright, fuck, how we gonna do this?
Or now, do you want to drop it in for a section? Whoever those guys were just made a feature on my YouTube.
You said what?
Whoever those two riders were just made a feature on my YouTube.
For real?
Yeah. I got him passing.
They some fellow YouTubers?
Maybe. Better.
And we can just tighten it with the screwdriver so it don't get straight.
Say that.
The cable around this guy. Boom.
This is why they call him Butters. This is why. This
Crank that
is
bitch
why.
up. Crank that bitch up. Let's see.
No way. This is already proof it works, bro. Right here. The f4i signal showing, but we'll see. Oh my gosh. This is why they call him Butters, man. This is why they call him Butters, man. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, my boy. Hell yeah. No more stalling, my boys. This is fucked up. Hopefully, couple screws, tighten it. It'll be good, but I'm about to see what's wrong with her, how she's tweaking. It'll start off with some go, but I gotta keep it consistent.
The bitch starts up.